Hey, I got a question from Rody, which is talking about partner ED. And let me break that down for you guys who do not know. Partner erectile dysfunction is when your erections work fine all the time, all the way until you get around your partner, you're trying to do something, then you just no. Now, you may not have heard of this because, hey, I came up with it because after talking with hundreds of guys and just living life my own self, I just came to this conclusion is like, yeah, this is a real thing. And hey, my name is Brian, aka Uncle B, and for the last 21 years, I've been a men's performance coach with African Fly, the liquid aphrodisiac. And I can tell you, a lot of guys are just thinking like, oh no, is something wrong? What's going on? Here's the answers to that. And I'm gonna give you a couple of fixes, some things you can work on. So first of all, let me break this down. Partner ED is not a choice. Now, some women think that, a man is in full control of his Johnson, is just all of a sudden he just doesn't want to get up for her. It's like, nah, this is for real. Now, there are as many reasons as there are humans in those relationships, but we can break it down to two things, which are basically emotional and physical. Well, let's hop into the emotional side. Now, emotionally is partner stress. So just living life, you're going to work and you're getting stressed at work. You come home, driving home through work, and you see her and she's not doing it on purpose, but you come home and it's just a little bit more stress with her. And so you're stressed at work and you come home stressed. So stress. And you're now associating stress with her to the point that when you see her, you're thinking stress. Now, this can happen in several different ways, not just that work example, but we're also talking about sometimes if she starts making more money, for some people that could be a problem. You become parents, obviously roles have changed. Or there's external stressors, like all of a sudden you have a family relative that needs to live with you and it just throws your home balance off. One other thing that can cause partner ED is continuous rejection. So if every time you're trying to make an advance to her and you're being rejected at some point, well, your body's just like, we're done with this one. And so if she at some point is like, okay, come on, let's go. And you're just like, I've been through this too many times. It's just not going to work like that. And then you have the physical side of things, which is literally what I just said. It could be that she's not as healthy anymore or she's gained some weight. And so therefore you're not getting the turn on that you used to get. Now, of course, there's the other side. You're out of shape. So she's not turned on anymore, not giving you the choosing signals, not expressing any affection to you. And so this is the tearing down part where things aren't working right. But there are some solutions. The first thing is to communicate. It's communication and lifestyle. So when it comes to communications, you have to talk more, figure out what's going on. It is your job to encourage each other, to turn each other on. And if you need to get therapy before it's too late, go talk to a professional, not some guy on YouTube. Here's another tip. Take many vacations. Just something that's not stressful to you, not extravagant. Just hop in a car, go to a hotel somewhere else, have the kids being babysitted. You need to be out of the rut. The rut is the same thing. You're doing everything the same thing every week and every week. You're not seeing any progress in your relationship and things just get buried. You need to freshen it up by breaking out of the rut, going someplace else. Just you two relax yourselves. Get on the same page. You're going to need to get on the same page. What does that mean? Basically, literally writing it down, saying, hey, this is what I want out of this relationship. I want to be more affectionate. I want to be, whatever it is that works for you. If you two guys have, you figured it out early on, but over time, things have changed. You have to get back on the same page. Here's a good idea. Read a relationship book and talk about it. Read the book separately, come together and talk about it, because there's a lot of things that, people just don't know. They forgot the love connection and all that good stuff. You just need that part. Sometimes you just need to figure out what that rejection part is about, because it could be a simple fix. It could be like, oh, I was just concerned about the kids hearing us. You have this work stress, or, when you get home, maybe there's something that, you could do for each other to take the load off so you don't feel so stressed, so that when you go to bed, it's just you two relaxing. Now, the biggest thing is changing your lifestyle. I know this takes time. This takes years. You're not going to do it all at once. You two need to be the cheering section for each other when it comes to your health. So yeah, you're not supposed to be getting out of shape. She's not supposed to be getting out of shape. You're supposed to be cheering each other on, encouraging each other, doing things to help your lifestyle so you both get healthier. So those are some of the tips. I do have another video that goes a little bit more in detail down below in the description. It's very helpful for you to get this information. And also go ahead and hit that like button. It's like giving a $2 tip for some $1 million game. And of course, ask your questions in the comment section below. I'll either answer them there or I could make a video. So once again, Rody, thanks for that great question. And this is Uncle B saying, get your game up and go hard. Peace out.